Is Localized Client API orchestration reporting the API Client Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To kick off the API Client Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the API Client Library, the localized client-side connector for specialized antivirus cloud scanning services. It manages the secure localized handshake and hashing of local files before they are sent to a remote sandbox for analysis. It bridges the localized application front-end to the provider's global malware signature database. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The API Client Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the Localized Client API orchestration framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the API client library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Manual intervention with API Client Library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for API Client Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve API Client Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.